Hello everyone. Today is day 30 of my English speaking challenge, and in this video I am going to talk about importance of English speaking practice daily and share my thoughts. So first, actually I started my journey of English speaking before 1 month. Till now I am continuing my journey, and I realized that if you speak every day at least 1 minute, you become more fluent in English. Like on first day, I feel very nervous to speak anything in English, but right now I can speak more in English, so I can say that day by day I improve myself in speaking English. And English speaking is like a skill. For example, if you want to build your muscle and you go to the gym, but in gym you are going to gym for sometimes, after that you uh, you are not going to gym, then your muscle is not being perfect. In same way, if you practice English for sometimes and you leave it, then you won't be you are not able to be fluent in English. So you have to practice daily at least 1 minute at anyhow. And if you practice English daily, your mouth will addicted to speak English words, and sometimes even in your mind, your thinking should be in English. So if you want to improve yourself in English speaking, you have to speak English at any cost, because English fluency is not coming without any practicing. So you have to practice lot and lot. And second thing is, if you practice English every day, then your confidence is getting boosting day by day. Now I can say that my confidence level is higher than day one, and and the your hesitation also goes down day by day. If, like, I can say that now i I feel less hesitation while talking in English, and I practice English every day. So in this period of time, I am able to learn some new words also. And so if I practice English every day, then I have to use words. So in my vocabulary, words are collecting. So because of English practicing, your vocabulary power is also building. And now comes on the fear. It, like, when we want to speak in English, there is a fear of, if I speak English in wrong way, then people makes me fun. But you believe me, if you practice English every day, even though you are speaking wrong, no matter, you just speak every day, you feel that day by day your fear is gone away. And so my suggestion is, if you want to improve yourself and want to improve your communication in English speaking, then you have to practice daily at anyhow. Now comes the word of the day that I that today I learned. First word is robust. The meaning of robust is strong. And the second word I learned today is immaculate. And the meaning of immaculate is neat and clean or spotless. Spotless. And in the last, I say, if you want to practice with me, you can drop a comment, or I give you a suggestion. Don't think about people's, do practice and more practice, because practice is a key to success. In the last, I say that I am becoming more fluent by practice day by day, and if you want to be a more fluent, then like and then subscribe my channel so that we can both grow it together. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching me. See you guys in next day.